Tired of waiting weeks to get paid from online gigs? What if you could start working from home this week and get your first paycheck by next Friday? No long resumes, no awkward interviews, no cold calls. In this video, I'll show you 10 remote jobs hiring now, get paid weekly, no degree, no calls. And yes, they're beginner-friendly and flexible enough to fit your schedule. I've personally tested and researched dozens of platforms, and these 10 stand out for their speed, simplicity, and consistency. Whether you're a parent, student, or career changer, you're going to find something here you can start immediately. Hey, welcome back to Nail the Next Step, where we help job seekers and career changers build quiet, flexible income. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and grab your free Smarter Job Search Guide. It's packed with bonus tools and job boards I couldn't fit into this video. Before we dive into the first job, here's a quick win. Download the free Smart Job Search Guide below. It's packed with quiet job boards, beginner-friendly strategies, and sample outreach scripts, all designed to help you land flexible work without the overwhelm. First on the list, Text Broker. If you can write short articles or blog posts, this platform pays weekly via Payoneer or direct deposit. You don't need to be a professional writer, just basic grammar and a willingness to follow simple instructions. Why it's legit. Clients submit orders like write a 300-word blog post about healthy snacks, and you choose the jobs you want. The better your writing, the higher your pay rate. How to start. Head to textbroker.com, sign up under I Write Content, and submit a short writing sample. Once approved, you'll start seeing assignments immediately. Pay range. 0.01 to 0.05 per word, depending on your writer rating. At 3-star level, you could earn about $15 to $25 per article. Next up, Rev.com. If you're a decent typist with a good ear, Rev pays you weekly to transcribe audio or add captions to videos. No calls, no camera, just quiet work and consistent pay. Why it's ideal. You'll get audio files like podcasts or interviews. Your job is to turn that speech into clean, readable text, and you can even pause or rewind as needed. How to start. Go to rev.com/freelancers, take a quick transcription test, and if you pass, you're in. They offer training videos and a smooth dashboard for beginners. Pay range. Pay starts around 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, which averages $10 to $20 per hour depending on speed. Job number 3 is Cambly, a casual English tutoring platform where you get paid weekly just for chatting with learners around the world. You don't need a degree, teaching experience, or even a formal lesson plan. All you need is clear spoken English and a quiet space. Why it's legit. You're not teaching grammar rules, you're having friendly conversations to help others improve fluency. It's perfect for night shifts because most learners are in Asia or the Middle East. How to start. Go to cambly.com/tutors, record a short video introduction, and once approved, you can choose your hours. Their dashboard is easy to navigate and you can log in anytime. Pay range. They pay 17 cents per minute, about $10.20 per hour, sent via PayPal every Monday. Next up, Inbox Dollars and Swag Bucks. These aren't high-income jobs, but they're fast, flexible, and pay weekly via gift cards or PayPal. If you're easing into remote work, these platforms let you earn doing things like answering surveys, watching ads, or testing apps. Why they work. You can earn a few bucks while multitasking, watching Netflix, waiting in line, or winding down at night. Perfect for students, caregivers, or anyone easing back into work mode. How to start. Go to inboxdollars.com or swagbucks.com, create an account, and explore the highest paying tasks or surveys first. Pay range. Expect around $1 to $5 per hour depending on the task volume, and most users cash out weekly with points or rewards. The 5th legit job is Arise, a platform that connects you with companies looking for remote customer service agents. Here, you work as an independent contractor and get paid weekly by most clients. Why it's worth it. Arise partners with major brands. You choose who to work for, set your hours, and operate from your own home office. Best part? Some roles offer chat-only options. no phone needed. How to start. Visit arise.com, sign up as a service partner, and select the client programs that match your interests. You may need to pay for a background check, but no ongoing fees. Pay range: $10 to $16 per hour, paid weekly by many of their clients, depending on the project and hours worked. Let's recap. So far, you've seen jobs that are flexible, remote, and pay you every single week. From transcription to tutoring to surveys, each one gives you the freedom to start from scratch and earn fast. Still with me? Let's take a quick break to talk about something that'll boost your chances even more. If this video is helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Which of these jobs would you try first? Also, don't forget to grab your free Smart job search guide below. It includes job search checklist, application scripts, and a simple tracker to help you stay organized while applying. Next up is Scribby, another great transcription platform that pays weekly. It's beginner-friendly and perfect if you want flexible, no-pressure work from home. Why it works. You'll transcribe short audio files like interviews, lectures, and podcasts. Scribby breaks these files into smaller chunks so you can complete them faster. Great if you only have pockets of time to work. How to start. Go to scribby.com, apply as a freelance transcriber, and take their short test. Once you pass, you'll have access to a pool of available files, and you can work at your own pace. Pay range. Rates start at about $5 to $20 per audio hour. Many users report earning $100 to $300 per month part-time. The best part, Scribby pays out weekly via PayPal, no long waiting periods. Job number 7, Steady app, gigs and income boosts. If you want access to multiple income streams in one place, the Steady app is a game changer. It curates flexible job listings, side gigs, and even offers income boosters, short tasks with weekly payouts. Why it's useful. You can filter jobs by skills, location, and payment type, and the app helps track your earnings automatically. How to start. Download the Steady app on your phone, create a profile, and explore gigs or booster opportunities that fit your schedule. Pay range. Many boosters pay $5 to $75. Remote gigs vary, from short tasks to full freelance jobs. Best part? Many pay within 7 days. Next is Fancy Hands, virtual assistant tasks. Want to get paid for helping busy people with everyday tasks? Fancy Hands hires virtual assistants to do things like scheduling, research, or placing online orders, all from your laptop. Why it's beginner-friendly. Most tasks are short and involve only email or web-based work. You don't need a fancy resume, just reliability and decent communication. How to start. Go to fancyhands.com/jobs, apply as a virtual assistant, and complete a sample task. Pay range: $3 to $7 per task with weekly payouts via Toggl. Experienced assistants often complete multiple tasks per hour. Transcribe Me is another transcription option, great for beginners. It breaks audio into short bite-sized clips so you're not stuck with hour-long recordings. Why it's quiet work. No phone calls, no meetings, just listen, type, submit. You can work late at night, on weekends, or whenever it fits your schedule. How to start. Visit transcribeme.com, take the quick entrance exam, and once accepted, start claiming microjobs. Pay range. Starting rate is about $15 to $22 per audio hour. Most new transcribers earn $150 to $250 per month part-time, paid weekly via PayPal. Last but not least, user testing. It pays you to visit websites or apps and share your feedback on what works or doesn't. No tech degree required. Why it's different. You simply record your screen and talk through your experience. No camera needed. It's a great intro to UX work if you're curious about digital jobs. How to start. Go to usertesting.com, sign up as a contributor, and complete a sample test. Once accepted, you'll receive test invites regularly. Pay range. Each 15 to 20 minute test pays $10, with some advanced ones paying up to $60. Payouts are sent every 7 days. Let's recap the second half of our list. Rev for transcription, steady app for flexible gigs, Fancy Hands for virtual assistant work, Transcribe Me for bite-sized transcription, and user testing for easy website feedback. Each of these offers flexibility, no experience barriers, and the best part, weekly payouts. You can literally start testing, transcribing, or tasking your way to income from your kitchen table tonight. Not sure where to start? Download the free Smarter Job Search Guide. It's your roadmap to landing flexible remote work. Inside, you'll find job search checklists, resume tips, and outreach scripts, especially useful if you're applying to jobs like the ones we just covered. Whether you're new to this or just need better tools, this guide will help you cut through the noise and apply with confidence. Let's talk about tools that make remote job hunting easier. First up, Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, updating your resume, or chatting with clients, Grammarly helps you write clearly and confidently. Why it helps? It catches small mistakes, improves your tone, and helps you sound polished, even if writing isn't your strong suit. How to use it. Install the free browser extension, and it will automatically suggest edits in Gmail, Google Docs, or any job application form you're filling out. Need a standout resume but don't want to build it from scratch? Resume.io has hundreds of modern customizable templates, and it's drag and drop easy. Why beginners love it. You don't need graphic design skills. Just pick a layout, fill in your info, and download a polished PDF that gets attention. Use the link below for access. I recommend the free version to start, but you can unlock more designs with the premium upgrade. Working from home gives you freedom, but it can also get messy. Toggl Track helps you stay focused and organized by timing your tasks and breaking your day into productive blocks. Why it's powerful. It's perfect if you're freelancing, stacking small jobs, or just trying to build structure around your work-from-home hours. How to use it. Sign up for a free account, then click Start Timer when you begin a task, and review your daily report at the end of the day to see how your time was spent. Want job leads to come to you instead of endlessly scrolling? Use Google Alerts. It's free and easy. Just type in phrases like remote jobs that pay weekly or no experience remote work, and you'll get daily updates right in your inbox. Why it works. This keeps your job search passive. Alerts run in the background while you focus on building your resume or completing small gigs. How to set it up. Go to google.com/alerts, type your search phrases, and click Create Alert. Done. Want to maximize your income? Don't stick to one platform. Try stacking 2 to 3 light jobs like transcription plus surveys plus gig tasks. Why this helps? It smooths out dry weeks. If one site is slow, another picks up. This is how many freelancers hit $300 to $500 per week consistently. Example. For instance, do 2 hours of user testing plus 1 hour of rev plus 30 minutes of swag bucks per night. It adds up faster than you think. Let's quickly recap. You now know some work-from-home jobs that pay weekly. Arise work-from-home Cambly Rev Fancy Hands Transcribe Me user testing. And 5 bonus tools to help you stay organized and get hired faster. Grammarly Resume.io Toggl Google Alerts. Job stacking strategies. Whether you try one or all, and the key is taking that first smart step. Which job on this list would you try first? Drop a comment. I read everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and grab your free copy of the Smart Ear Job Search Guide below. We post new videos weekly on remote jobs, quiet income, and flexible work tools, so don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Next up, check out this video. 7 quiet remote jobs you can do at night. No calls, no meetings. Packed with beginner-friendly work you can do after hours, or explore the full playlist on remote job strategies. Before you apply, here are a few common mistakes to avoid. 1. Submitting a generic resume to every job. 2. Skipping the skills test if a site offers one. 3. Ignoring platform-specific guidelines like file formatting or grammar standards. Fix these and you'll get noticed faster. If you're starting from zero, remember every expert once started unsure. Don't get discouraged by low pay at first. Focus on building a reputation, getting reviews, and improving your speed or quality. Weekly income adds up, especially once you build momentum. Meet Sam. He started freelancing after losing his retail job. He spent 2 hours a day doing rev transcription and Swagbucks tasks. Within 3 weeks, he'd earned 200 plus and had applied to more premium gigs. Takeaway: small wins lead to big shifts. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. Here's a quick look at all 10 jobs and what makes each one stand out. Compare hours, pay rate, and how fast you get paid, and choose what fits your schedule best. You don't need fancy tech, years of experience, or a perfect plan to earn from home. You just need to start out with one smart move today. I believe in you. Let's nail the next step together.